An essential element of object-oriented programming is abstraction. We manage complexity through abstraction. For example, we do not think of a car as a set of thousands of individual parts, but we think of it as a well-defined object with its own unique behavior. This abstraction allows us to use a car to drive to our office without worrying about the complexity of the parts that form the car. We can ignore the details of how the engine, gear, accelerator and braking system work. Instead, we are free to utilize the object as a whole. An abstraction means that we will automatically discard what's unimportant or irrelevant. What comes into your mind when I say car? If we say car, we didn't explicitly say if the car is BMW or Audi, if it's blue or silver, if it's small or large. Your mental model of a car might have a color and size, but it's unlikely to have a smell or a flavor because those things are irrelevant to the idea of a car. So we abstracted the idea of what a car means. Abstraction is the heart of object-oriented programming because it's what we are doing when we make a class. In case of cars, maybe you will have different brands like BMW, Audi, Lamborghini or Mercedes. But we don't create a class for each brand. Instead, we will abstract, focus on the common essential qualities of the idea, and we will write one class called car. And as a way to discard what's unimportant, we should focus on how the class should look like for this application under these circumstances at this time. In other words, you care only about the information that you need in this situation. Later on, maybe you will be having a specific car brand that has a property or a behavior that's not common between other car brands, and it's specific to its type. In this case, you will have to do of what's called inheritance, and we will get into it later.